All right, so let's take a look at this integral. This is the indefinite integral of ln x squared over x dx. Now, sometimes you can't just start picking something for u right away. Sometimes you have to do just a little bit of algebraic manipulation first. And here we're going to use a law of logarithms to bring that 2 out in front. So you have 2 ln x. Then you have an x dx. Now the whole point of doing this is that now that you just have this 2 there, that 2 just comes in front basically using the constant multiple rule. You can bring that out now, you can bring it out later. But basically the point is that 2 is really not going to end up doing much. Now the thing to notice otherwise is that you have this ln of x right there and you have this x right there, and one of those happens to be the derivative of the other. Ln of x is the derivative of 1 over x, and it's good that that x is in the denominator. So I think we're going to pick u is equal to ln of x. Okay, and if this is wrong, you could, of course, just pick, well, u is equal to x isn't going to get you anywhere, but maybe pick u is equal to 1 over x. But I think this is the one that's going to work. So du is, well, the derivative of ln of x is 1 over x. So you have du is equal to 1 over x dx. And now, maybe what we should do here, before we do any replacement, anything fancy here, is rewrite this. We'll just rewrite this one as, you don't have to do it this way, but we'll write this as 2 times ln of x times that x that's in the denominator. We'll write this now as 1 over x dx. I think this will just, you don't have to write this, but I think it'll make it a little bit clearer what's going on. This 1 over x dx, that's right there, that's just du. So we can rewrite this as integral 2, and then there's the next thing after the 2 is this ln of x, that's u, so I'll just write a u there, and then finally there's that 1 over x dx, which we are replacing here with this du. Okay, so this is a much nicer looking integral. What do you have to differentiate to get that 2u? Well, that's of course u squared with respect to u, so you have this u squared plus c, and then now we can go back and we can replace the u that appears there with this ln of x here. So we'll have ln of x, and it's really that quantity which is going to get squared, and then you have this plus c.